Righto, so repair part 2, or the second bolt. We're feeding the zip tie into the hole. We are feeding the zip we're feeding the zip tie through the hole. Oh shit. Okay. We're gonna trim up the zip tie so it fits in the, fits in the hole. Oh mate. Love it when a plan comes together, bruv. Fuck. Oh, give me coffee. No, I need a V. I need a V, man. Okay. What are we? Take 3, take 4. The cable tie now going into the hole like so. Oh, jeez, only needs to be just in. Or just left right out. Screw, bolt. Self-tapping bolt. Ooh, mate, that does not want to know about it. Oh, there we go. Yep, just needed a bit of pressure, bruv. Hey, oi. Fucking now. Just gotta say it was all go, but no. Here we go. There we go, my mate. She'll just be like a new one soon. %100% on the fly fix. I don't know why I haven't done it sooner. Good old cable tie robbed from the engine bay. Don't know what it was holding in, probably the battery. Of course it's not the battery, lad. No, it was from a chip. I was busted having a aftermarket chip. Ooh, you can't have that one there. So I had to take it out, but I left the cable tie there for this very reason. No. But it's going to be interesting. If this 100% works, like legit, I'm just going to leave it as is. Oh, no, we're free spinning. Oh, bit of pressure. I reckon that's like about 30 pound already. No, that's probably 30 pound. Yeah, that's it. Righto. The Bushfix. Mint